Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, Kitch More. Masayang araw po. Today our recipe is very healthy and yummy. Our main ingredients for this are all just very simple. We only need 1 can of beef loaf and malunggay leaves to make it healthier. Researchers have proven that malunggay has lots of health benefits. In fact, it is considered as a superfood as it is packed with lots of nutrients that our body needs. It helps combat malnutrition, fights inflammation, protects the liver, supports brain and mental health, protects the heart, helps with tummy problems, helps wounds heal faster, and promotes skin health. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking Tortang beef loaf with malunggay leaves. Enjoy watching!